guys hear the smile through the phone? Because I'm smiling because it has been so long since I posted a video and I really freaking missed y'all. But I'm back now, okay? So today's video, I decided to make a whipped body butter, and the ingredients that I selected, I did select them strategically so that this body butter would not only look good, but would also be beneficial to the skin and also have anti-inflammatory properties. Most, if not all of the ingredients soften and moisturize the skin and help fade dark marks. But that aside, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the idea is to use these vegetable cutters as foundation. So I'm tracing the vegetable cutters so that I can pipe the body butter on top in the shape that I want it to be. I know what you're thinking. Why not just use the vegetable cutter to stamp out the body butter? Well, let's rewind a couple days before Valentine's Day, me trying this technique, and the stamping part works, but once it's in the vegetable cutter, it will not come out. And I've tried everything to try to get it out. I used my pinky, I tried to heat it up on the sides, but they kept breaking. So I had to scrap that idea and come up with the idea that you just saw. And I think it turned out pretty well, so you'd have to stay tuned to see how it turns out. So I put the melted butters into the freezer for about 15 to 30 minutes. The center would still be soft to the touch, and then the rim or the outers would be hard. And then I just put that into my stand mixer and whipped until semi-fluffy. I added my vitamin E oil, which is a great antioxidant. Since we are only using oils and butters, you definitely want to quote unquote preserve your oils. And then I added Arrowroot Powder. This is to absorb some of the oiliness, since again we're only using butters and oils. Honestly, for me, this is just, me personally, I actually like for my body butter to kind of have that oiliness to it. That shine on brown skin is shine bright like a diamond, it hits every time for me. But I get that some people would rather not have that oily feeling and that oily look, so I still went ahead and added the Arrowroot powder to absorb the excessive oiliness. With that being said, we only use butters and oils, so no preservative is needed. I have seen some quote unquote no melt body butters, but every time I see those recipes, there's always water included. And body butters, as we know it, are anhydrous products, which again means no water included. So the question of the day is, can you really call it a body butter? I think you're kind of forced to call it a lotion, a moisturizer, a cream, maybe. It's like being invited to an all-girls party, but then you see boys. You can't call it an all-girls party anymore. Now you have to change the name of the party. But anyways, the idea was to put in a piping bag the body butter and then pipe on the flowers that I traced. And I did want the flowers to have dimension to them. I wanted them to be textured. I want them to be spring. And I feel like I achieved that. But enough with my talking, so I'm going to let you all enjoy this portion of the video, and then I will be right back to talk some more to you. So for now, enjoy the video. Alright, my blooming beauties, I am back. So at this stage of the video, y'all, I was so exhausted from my body butter flour smearing to trying to get the body butter in the piping bag. I was over all of it, okay? But here is one of the cute little bunnies that I did, and I decided to put it at the bottom and then pipe on top of it. There are some other designs that will be shown to you later on in the video, and I would love to know which one you like best and why. I'll personally say that this one is my favorite because of the bunny at the bottom, and there was a bunny placed at the top, but I don't think that I got it in the video before I scraped off the tops and then put the tops on. And something to note too, I allow my creativity to run wild when I come up with these ideas, so sometimes they may just be for the aesthetics. But did y'all see how cute that bunny rabbit was at the bottom? So cute. Anyways, since we are creeping closer to the end of the video, I hope that you all enjoyed the video, and as always, blooming beauties, I hope to see you in the daisy fields the next time. Keep blooming. All right, bye.